To add Google Analytics to Webflow, start by searching for Webflow in your web browser and clicking on the official website. Log into your account, entering your email and password if you don't have automatic login set up. Once logged in, click on All Sites and select the site you want to work with. Instead of using the web designer, click on the three dots and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Apps and Integrations, which is located on the left-hand side, alongside options such as General, Site Access, Publishing, SEO, and Custom Code. Here, you will find Google Analytics, where you can enter your measurement ID. To do this, you will need to have your measurement ID ready to copy. This can be found in your Google Analytics account by creating a new property and locating the ID, which typically starts with G or GT. After entering the ID, you can complete the setup. Following these steps will allow you to successfully integrate Google Analytics with Webflow.